Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of January, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.42. Now let us examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and modestly ascending trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 2% to 15%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 43% over the next year, with expected returns between 33% and 59%. This implies a price range of approximately $320 to $380 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Apple stock price increased by approximately 0.462% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, rising from $238.26 to $239.36. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.5%, ranging from a low of $234.01 to a high of $239.86. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 2.61% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 29 million shares, with a total of 45 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $10.78 billion. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 7.97%, or $20.73, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is at a crucial junction as it prepares for the release of its first quarter earnings. Recent collaborations, including a strategic partnership with SpaceX and T-Mobile to incorporate Starlink satellite connectivity, have the potential to enhance iPhone usability in regions with limited cellular coverage. This innovation is anticipated to resonate positively with consumers and may support sales in the long run. However, analysts highlight expected challenges, particularly from strong competition affecting iPhone sales. Despite a forecast of $124 billion in revenue, the earnings report could indicate a decline in hardware sales, raising concerns among investors about the company's long-term growth trajectory. The market's response might be moderated by Apple's ongoing expansion in services, but there is still apprehension regarding the company's seemingly slow progress in artificial intelligence technology. Analysts propose that a decrease in market interest could require a significant drop in Apple's stock multiple to restore investor confidence. Overall, while innovative partnerships with companies like SpaceX may present growth opportunities, the short-term outlook might involve volatility as stakeholders evaluate both earnings performance and competitive challenges. Currently, there are no recent analyst ratings available for this stock. For additional insights, you might want to explore third-party opinions or conduct an online search. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Apple stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $242.45. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $228.63. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 21, 2025, and so far, it has increased by 7.51%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. The short-term moving average provides a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 174 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $232.87. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.85 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.5%. In the past week, it has displayed an average daily volatility of 2.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $243.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January 2025, Parek Kevin conducted an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams also sold 34,752 shares of common stock. Again on that day, he sold 42,939 shares of common stock. Lastly, on the 16th of December, he sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.401. In total, insiders acquired 2,096,037 shares, while selling 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have assigned a negative evaluation to this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment from a hold or accumulate position to a sell candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 30th of January, we anticipate that Apple will open down by $1.62, starting at a price of $237.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.